Hello friends, in today's video we'll be talking about different types of pulses, their nutritive value as they are also commonly asked in community medicine practicals. The first pulse that we'll be dealing with is Bengal gram, which is also known as chana dal. Now this chana dal has got protein of 17.1 grams per 100 grams, fat of 5.3 and calories is 360. So roughly you can see the cereals also had 346 kilocalories. Here it is 360, so roughly 350 would suffice for your answers. Kilocalories. So this is rich in minerals and B group of vitamins. Rich in minerals and B complex. What is the limiting amino acid over here? It is methionine and cysteine. Methionine and cysteine. And how can you improve its nutritive value? We all know that after germination, the nutritive value increases. Germination. And second is by fermentation also you can increase its nutritive value. The next dal we're talking about is red gram or tuvar or arhar ki dal, which is very widely used in every household. So this dal contains 9.8 grams of protein, 1 gram fat, 57.6 grams of carbohydrate and 335 kilocalories of energy. The limiting amino acid that is present here is again methionine and cysteine. Methionine and cysteine. And what is its role in nutritional rehabilitation? The multi-purpose food used in national nutrition programs is prepared by mixing 75% groundnut flour and 25% roasted red gram flour. So हम इसमें 75% ग्राउंडनट मतलब मूंगफली का आटा, सही, groundnut is something different, groundnut flour plus the red gram flour. 5% red gram flour is used for national nutrition programs. National nutritional programs. And letharism is something which is caused due to adulteration of this dal. So this dal is adulterated by kesari dal, usually found in Madhya Pradesh, and this, when it is mixed or adulterated, it can lead to letharism, which we can talk as a separate topic in some other video. Then the next comes is the green dal or green gram. Green gram is the moong ki dal. It is moong dal. Here the protein is 24 grams, fat is 1.2 grams, energy is 348 grams. This is all in per 100 grams. Next comes the black gram dal or the urad dal, which is again widely eaten here. So this contains 24 grams of protein, 1.2 grams of fat and 348 grams or 348 kilocalories of energy. The next come is the rajma chawal. Who doesn't eat? But rajma contains again 24 grams of protein, 1.2 grams of fat and 348 kilocalories of energy. And the limiting amino acid, again, since this is a pulse, you again have methionine and cysteine. So there the one common one was lysine. Here two common are there, methionine and cysteine. Now comes the soya bean is, see, one common mistake that students usually make is confusing soya bean with the soya chunks. These are two different things. And so the soya bean is again a dal, and it has got a protein of 43.2 grams per 100 grams. This is very high. And 19.5 grams of fat and 432 kilocalories per 100 grams. But it is still deficient, not in cysteine, but still methionine is deficient here. It is considered as a queen of legumes because it is richest source of protein. It has the richest source of protein. Its protein is of higher quality, high iron content, and is having lysine, folic acid, and carotene. So that is why we always advise to take dal chawal together, because dal is deficient in methionine, rice is deficient in lysine. So when you take both of them together, so this suffices for that methionine and that suffices for the lysine. So both go hand in hand. What are the soya chunks? How did it differ from soya beans? Soya chunks are made from soya flour after the oil has been extracted. So defatted flour it is. Soya chunks made from soya bean flour after oil is extracted. So now identify these various types of dal. This is yellow moong dal. This is yellow chana dal. This is red lentil. This is masoor ki dal. This is half moong, which you usually make in khichdi. This is urad ki dal. This is again urad dal. This is red bean, kabuli chana, green moong, tur dal, or arahar ki dal. This is the arahar. This soya bean. This is moth beans. So basically you need to remember this soya bean, arahar ki dal, green moong, red beans, that is rajma. This green urad ki dal, you can remember this one or this one, and this chana dal. So this was all about the pulses. Thank you.